So hey, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Microsoft application install error that you have been facing. Like you're not able to install the softwares anywhere instead of Microsoft Store. So in order to fix that, simply open the settings right there of your Windows. You can easily find it on the Start menu. Now here, simply search for Microsoft Store right there, or if you just simply search for apps setting instead, you will notice, just simply go to this option of default apps, and here in this app settings section, you simply need to scroll down till the last, where you'll see this option of just simply come back again, and here simply search for go for advanced app settings, and here you'll see this option of choose where to get apps. In our case, it is set to just Microsoft Store only. That is recommended, but in order to install applications from anywhere that you want, you need to click on this option of anywhere and select it to anywhere. Now that will definitely gonna solve your problem, and if it still does not, simply give a restart to your computer to make sure that this particular setting has been applied to your system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.